So you want to make an incredible sweet and sour chicken? Let's go. We're just gonna go finger slices. Then we'll pick them up, put them right into a bowl. Okay, we're gonna go in with just a little bit of salt. Go in with a little bit of cooking wine. Some black pepper. And some sugar here for umami. The sugar also helps keep the meat moist during deep fry, so it's very important that we put some sugar in here. Now we'll sit this aside for 20 to 30 minutes, and while we do this, we'll get working on our batter. 3 parts flour to 1 part cornstarch, so we're gonna do 3/4 cup of flour. All-purpose flour is what we're using here. So 3 of these to 1 of our cornstarch. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, a teaspoon of MSG, and a teaspoon of yeast. Then we're going to mix this up. Crack an egg. Make a mess. We're gonna go in with a little white vinegar. Be careful, we're not trying to recreate Mount Tambora. Now we're gonna give it a mix. Watch it foam up. We're gonna go in now with a little bit of water. Just a little bit here, we don't want to use all of it. We're going to go in now with some premium sake and some cooking oil. Mix it up nice. Okay, we're going to sit this aside for the remainder of the time you have on your meat. So this takes about 5 minutes to make your batter. You have about 25 minutes to wait. Set it aside on the counter beside your chicken. Gonna slice our green peppers, red peppers. So we sliced them across. Now we'll just take them, slice them into cubes. Chop our onion. Turn it. Just break them all up. Now we're just going to mix our beautiful chicken here. It's had 30 minutes. We're just going to mix it into the batter. Perfect, let's go cook. We're gonna go medium heat, pour in our oil. Glug, 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 glug. We're only gonna fill it up halfway. We're getting our oil to 300 degrees. If we're a little bit over, that's okay. As soon as we add our first few pieces, the oil temperature will come down. 305 is good, let's start cooking. I use a bamboo stick. Less surface area, so your chicken pieces will be nice and plump still when it goes into the oil. Just let it drip a little bit. And we're going to go right in. See how it floats right away? That's what we're looking for here. If your oil is too cold, it's going to sink and not come up. And if your oil is too hot, then you're going to burn. See how we have a few floaties? We'll just go in with a finer basket here, scoop them out. Especially if you're doing many batches, you definitely don't want to have any of these floating around. Okay, we're getting our oil to 350 degrees here. Perfect, look at that. So now we're going to add all of our pieces back to the fry basket. And we're going to go in all at once, careful. Here we go. Now we're just going to fry this for about 30 seconds, just till we get a nice golden brown. Okay, now we're going to come out of the oil, turn your oil off. Beautiful pile of chicken. Go medium temperature in with our cooking oil. Let's get some of our onions, green onions. Our garlic slivers go in. And now we're going to let the aroma escape and enter into the oil. Smells incredible in here. The aromas are just starting to escape from the onions and the green onions and the garlic. At this point we're going to go in with some salt. Now that our onions have started to sweat, we're going to go in with some tomato paste. Just that with a bit of pepper. I'm going to come in with some water now. And with a bit of sugar. You could use rock sugar here if you've got it. Now we're going to add a bit of strawberry jam. If you can't find Hawthorne at your grocer's, add that in, mix it up. Now we're going to go in with some Worcestershire sauce. It's about a little over a teaspoon. Okay, now that we have everything mixed up nice and all the flavors are incorporated, we're going to go in and scoop all of the stuff out. Now we're going to go in with our red and green peppers. Splash of sake. We're going to go in with a little bit of white vinegar. If you're going to add alcohol in here or anything, you want to cook it nice right now, let that alcohol cook out. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of a starch slurry, just a little bit of it, to thicken it up a bit. So it thickened up instantly. We're going to add our chicken, and we're going to toss and serve. let's go eat. Let's dig into one of these beautiful pieces. Definitely give a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment down below. That's good. And if you haven't already, subscribe.